Uhoro how to cut the devil's advocate.
Yes.
I would like to wear that coat. Afutika ureke ndegeke. Na reure maundu mako digitalize public participation and what you have and what have you. A very great idea.
Yes.
Yeah, very great idea. Yes. But the idea to ready for as a country.
Yes.
Reason being number one, ngashirika uga Uhoro wa citizen.
Yes.
Hari thiko mugwanja ri thiko cigana citizen utaga wira. Thiko imwe kana igire thiko kwanja hari NTSA utaga wira Friday. Kuma thaa inyanya nginya thaa kenda. So 1 hour. Nini njui ndo ngiekite muno. So assume ecosystems ile tunashota cia maundu essential. Unajua kitu takuya birth certificate, logbook, issue systems cia ruta wira ithetigo. So tugate to tore Uhoro wa public participation digitally. Number 1, tutira system cia ruta wira uria ciagirwo ko cikiruta. Kogo we cannot even build on what currently exists. We have to go back to the drawing book. Yes. That's number 1. We are being realistic here. There's the reality, and then there's what you think. Na more than like Tiodomwe. Yes. Number 2, ugo jefoga, they are very easy to compromise. Itho ta beo jethere toko thiro ndeka system kega muno. Kega take. No itho beo jethere ugaturi hiwo kana ugo uke na jeshi yaku. Yes. Jeshi yaku yoke ugere uri public participation no ri tugatuge ABCD. Todo ifadere gefadeti kugodo. Gefadeti kugodo unfortunately ukoro de citizen ate guteka hande ukaone ucio ni kumuthobe ugiri oguri. Nici akoshikire muhuko. Yes. Yeah. So digital public participation ni idea njega muno. Very amazing idea. But we are not ready for it. Yeah. Look, public participation ne koro in person. In person. Ekore mwada follow liwagire. Na oginya mumiorire. Yes. No nginya ado matie kugutara. Tondare uri gwito kwa theci daikara Kiambu. Yes. Donie public participation ya femicide gukorwo e boardroom ya county commissioner. Dio kore office ya county commissioner koragwo. No ne ngomecaria nginya ndimioni. Tondu gitumine ni ati ndinafata na follow livi, no ndinafata maundu maya. No kugituika ati kiruta kiu gitwarwo online ri. Gocia mukorera muri platforms ta X na K. Na ni monete uri andu meciragia uhoro wa maundu ta maya. He mundu kuga kiundu nginya origwo kiatari sister kana mami wao. Neguo. Gitumine riri gitumika mundu ari ugo ni kumenya ni kuga it's just an account. The pseudo. Muda ukaite microphone 101. Yes. Microphone 101 na kwa Jerry, na kwa Jeff, na kwa Sam. It could be anyone. Yes. Yeah. So we need to put a face to the name, right? For starters. Yes. To get this is my opinion, and I stand by it and I die by it. And if you get to mikege movement ya Gen Z ya bila kugwa, tondu mawoni maigire tohora githuri online. Muke ndari kama ndabana magithira mani Jeff da hutetio mani. Pole sana. Momagira city, momagira after 25th I mean towards August. Mumagira street mwe kolado atatu. Tasho bila shite tota uri cihorete ku. Ora ko no wakora wetai na moti wa ichere. Okay no kwa we thua na mai maju bena ka dipis ni uri awonetio kanyoni wangere. Naona? Yes. Koguo ri we can argue all day about moduma gutweka digital and what have you. Yes. But currently ona nyoba dogi sharia online. Uthiaga hari ukero kwina 2 bedroom kino we kinya kore ri ni mariga 2 bedroom. No likore bedroom imwe.
But Jeff, I want
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.